Alright, here we have a map of the greater Sacramento area, which is where we're riding today. We're going to be riding along the American River bike path or bike trail, which, as you guessed it, runs right along the American River. So here, when I zoom in, I'm going to be showing you that my access points to the trail. This is the Campus Commons area near Sac State University. So the river access I used was by the Campus Commons golf course, which I will click here and show you exactly where it is. Now, mind you, this golf course doesn't like non-golfers to park in their parking lot, so be mindful. There's other river access points you can use. I came here on my bike, so it wasn't a problem. And if I keep scrolling here, our end point, our turnaround point, is going to be right around Rio Americano High School in the lower American River area, because there's a nice scenic area here. So that's where I will turn around today. It takes me about an hour and a half total, but I'm a slow biker. And this green line here you can see is the trail itself and also the levee trail of the American River bike trail. So you could just see that on the map. If you wanted to look it up yourself, you could follow that little line to see how long this trail goes. So yeah, that's where we're going to be riding today. It's not too bad of a ride, and we'll see you there. Stopped here to get a nice look at the river. This is a little bit after you pass Watt Avenue. Don't know if you could see all of the broken branches earlier. That was because we had a huge storm just a few days ago. Alright, we reached our turnaround point here by the high school. This is a little lookout of the lower American River. Beautiful sunny afternoon, and there's no one here because it's a weekday. I don't know if you guys can see over on the right there, there's a person swimming, full-on swimming. Now on the way back, you'll get a good view of the Guy West Bridge, which is a red pedestrian bridge that connects Campus Commons neighborhood to the Sac State University here. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. These were just a few clips of the American River Bike Trail. Hope you guys enjoyed. I highly recommend getting out there. It's super clean and super beautiful.